want to share with you a very delicious salsa macha chili oil that you could make at home, and it's easy and delicious. Nice and spicy, of course. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Of course, here I want to show you what I'm going to use to make this chili oil. I'm using chile de árbol, 2 whole heads of garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, and of course, the extra virgin olive oil. Let me tell you, this chili oil comes out so delicious and spicy, of course. If you love spicy food like I do, you're going to love this chili oil. It's gonna be good for several months. I am using 2 whole cups of the extra virgin olive oil. And of course, the more garlic you add to this chili oil, the more intense flavor it will have. Look at this. Of course, you want to cook this in medium-low heat. Cook it slowly so that the olive oil really gets infused with the garlic flavor. Let's put it on the stove, and you don't need to babysit. Just leave it here for about 1 hour, medium-low heat. You're gonna start noticing that it's gonna start bubbling. It's not gonna overcome the little pan. Just leave it there in medium-low heat until you see each of the garlic cloves getting nice and golden brown. This is gonna take time because remember, you really want to infuse your extra virgin olive oil. Let me tell you, when you make this amazing chili oil, or as I call it, salsa macha, authentic, grandma styles, you're going to love this chili oil. You could start noticing the garlic cloves getting a little bit light brown. Not every single one is golden brown, but continue cooking it, medium-low heat. After almost 60 minutes, you're gonna notice that all the garlic cloves start getting really nice and brown. And that's exactly how you want to have all the garlic cloves. Once you notice your kitchen getting you could really smell the aroma of the garlic, then you know this is ready. Here you could notice that the garlic cloves are getting already nice and brown. It's already releasing and infusing the oil. Look at this. This is such a delicious and amazing chili oil. You could add it in tacos, add it to your pozole, you name it. You could add it to so many different dishes. And here, this is the way you want to have all the garlic cloves, nice and golden brown. Once you have them like this, turn off your stove and just let them sit and relax and come almost to room temperature before you add them to your blender. Look how beautiful they look. I just wish you guys were here to really smell the aroma of the garlic. The garlic has invaded my home from the front to the back of the house. You could really smell the aroma of the garlic. Well, now I'm going to turn off the stove. I'm just going to let it sit, let it relax, come to almost room temperature before I add this into my blender. Look how beautiful the garlic cloves look. Now I am ready to remove from the pan, and it's still nice and bubbling. It's been maybe like 3 minutes. Here I want to add to my blender the chile de árbol first, and then the chicken bouillon. The chicken bouillon is going to give it such an amazing flavor. Remember that the chicken bouillon is to taste. I am using 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, and I'm going to add all the oil and all the garlic. Once you add it, you're going to notice that it's still kind of bubbling. You want to make sure that you add your chilies on the bottom so that they get hydrated. They start releasing the flavor, the spiciness. My mouth is already watering because I know that this is going to come out delicious. I love eating this chili oil on crispy tacos, soft tacos, enchiladas, burritos. Oh my God, you could really add it into so many things. For this time of year, I love using it on my pozole. My red pozole, my white pozole, you name it. Well, here, as you could see, it's all the chilies are covered with the oil, and that's exactly how you want it. You want to blend it for about 5 minutes. It all depends on your blender. You want to make sure that it's nice and blended. You're going to notice that you no longer see the seeds or the chili, pieces of chili. You want to make sure that you blend it really good for about 5 minutes. It is a process, but let me tell you, this chili oil comes out so delicious and so creamy that once you make it, you are really going to continue enjoying it with your beautiful family. And like I said, it really lasts a long time in your refrigerator or even at room temperature. Remember, it's cooked in just oil, so it's going to last for a couple months. Here, of course, you want to put it in a jar and then enjoy it gradually. Look how thick, look how creamy, look how delicious, and the aroma just amazing. I can't wait to taste it. Add it in pozole, add it in tacos, add it in so different recipes. Look how thick, look how creamy it is. And of course, you don't see none of the seeds. That's why it's very important to blend it for about 5 minutes. It depends on each blender. But look at this. The texture is really creamy. It's really smooth. And the aroma with all that garlic, just perfection, made at home. I hope you make it. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and share this video. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. With this chili oil, as I call it, salsa macha, authentic, delicious, and spicy. I hope, my friends, you could enjoy it with your amazing homemade pozole. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. And if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.